no way.
Thursday, west winds 15 to
There is
20
no
knots,
way.
diminishing to 5 to 10 knots. Mostly cloudy with showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Oh my gosh,
Some
stop.
thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the
Let's
morning.
rip. It's not gonna go off.
Or less. Thursday night,
I don't care.
west winds 5 to 10 knots. Mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers after midnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Friday.
Wasn't expecting
winds 5
this.
to 10 knots back into the southwest early in the afternoon. Mostly sunny. Waves 2 feet or less. See Lake Erie open lake forecast for days 3 through 5. The water temperature at Belle Isle is 73 degrees. The following is an important...
Here we go. Tornado watch. Oh, that did not go as expected. There we go. Third tee away this year. And it's for me again.
This watch includes the following counties in Michigan.
Wait, what time is it?
Livingston, Macomb, Monroe,
Gonna go off
Oakland, Washington, and Wayne, and the following: Detroit River and Lake
Okay,
St. Clair,
so if it-
and Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan.
10, 11, 12.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions
Hold on.
for the development of severe
Let me
weather,
process this.
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and
9,
close to
10,
the watch
11,
area.
12, 13.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain
So
alert for
3
rapidly
a.m.
changing
This is
weather
gonna go on
conditions
for.
and listen for later statements
Okay.
and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio, and
I'm already gonna go live
internet
now
sources for the latest
because I did not
weather
expect a TOA for here. But yeah. Wow. Tornado warning. Livingston County tornado warning. Oh my gosh.
Eastern Michigan until 12:15
I saw that one coming.
11:29
Same.
p.m.
I saw the storm on the radar and I just straight up knew.
A tornado is located over Oak Road or near Howell, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source,
Yep.
radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Heartland around 11:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tyrone Township and Deerfield Township.
First warning of the day.
Just 23 between mile markers 69 and 77. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Thursday for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
Dang, till 12:30, dang. Oh wait, no, 12:15, my bad. I thought it said 12:30 for a minute.
Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. Tornado watch 478 in effect until 3 a.m. Thursday. Rest of tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming west early in the morning. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Detroit vicinities. Flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. Tornado watch 478 in effect until 3 a.m. Thursday. Rest of tonight, thunderstorms likely. Showers. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles.
We're going. freaking almost 1 a.m. Give me a break.
The following is an important message for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, Livingston, Oakland, and Shiawassee. West, flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where, a portion of southeast Michigan, including the following counties, Genesee, Livingston, Oakland, and Shiawassee. When, until 5:15 a.m. Additional details at 12:47 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring in the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Flint, Palazzo, Parkland, Phantom, Howell, Flushing, Grand Blanc, Holly, Davidson, Durant, Fowlerville, Clio, Perry, Lounsburg, New Lothrop, Burton, Swartz Creek, Linden, Corona, and Yarmouth. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Flood. Lakeport, Marysville, Armada, Memphis, Emmett, New Haven, Brockway, Washington, Blaine, Columbus, Riley Center, Goodells, Burville, Abaca, and Smiths Creek. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Flood watch.